All right, welcome to the first job here, guys. All right, guys, so this is a empty house for a company we do work all the time, property management company. So apparently they also did have new hardwood floors put in. You can even smell the varnish as soon as you come in. Next thing we do, shoe covers, as always. So because this is empty, we're doing all the carpets in the home. And from what it looks like, all the carpet is upstairs. We have stairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stairs. And we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom. That's it. That's it. Look at this carpet. Okay, so clearly there was clearly there was a rug right here in this area. As you can see from the spots or from the indents, there's actually a bed probably right up against this wall. A little side table, a little dresser. We have 10. Oh wait, no, there's more stairs down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll see. So this carpet is it's a bit dirty. It's definitely got some debris in it. Gonna bust out the vacuum. Set up my tarps on this nice flooring. And actually, I don't need corner guards, even though I forgot them. Look at that. Oh. What the heck? Am I trapped? What is this? I seem to be trapped. What the heck? Yes, we will have to go through the side door. Vacuum, tarps. I'm actually going to use, since now I do have to go around the corner, I'm going to use one of these tarps as a corner blocker. Into here.
Just put it on the side door.
Okay.
And send me a pic and I'll ask my dad to fix it.
Yeah, I sent you over 3 photos of just kind of that whole thing.
Just move the lockbox so they have access to the house.
All right, cool. Yep, the lockbox is now on the side door.
Great, thanks.
All right, thanks you. Wing 2. Can't pull this door. Oh, just got one up here. All right, shoe covers off. I'm walking on tile. It's all right. My main thing is about shoe covers is always to have them on hardwood floors, or at least when somebody, when a home is occupied. If it's a rental, I know my shoes aren't covered in mud, and I do have the tarp, so I'm not going to be stepping directly on the floor and then just going up onto the carpet. But I'll be stepping carefully, not rubbing my shoes against the carpet, just stepping down onto it. All right, and then we're going to go straight into the master bedroom. We're going to grab the first hose separately, run it up. Oh, by the way, if you could see this, you take the end, and as you're pulling, you loop it over your arm, and then you're pulling over, you're looping it over your arm again, taking it over, looping it again. I've actually managed to take 2 hoses up an apartment building at one time. 2 hoses gets a little heavy, uncomfortable, but this is a way that I would go into a residential home that's fully furnished. I mean, pretty much any home, but definitely residential. So you could make sure the hose is nice and close next to you, and it doesn't go rub against any furniture. I might tap a little bit, but come on, you can't stop a tap. Set it into the first room. Make sure I have plenty of hose up here, and slowly lead it out. All right. So we flip that, setting the hose down. And look, pretty much could do this on one hose, but because once you plug that hose up into the vacuum, that suction will pull and will start yanking it down. So what we're going to do is wrap out a little bit of solution line and then move forward. We're probably going to move forward quite a bit because the exhaust is set right by the door. So I don't want any fumes going inside the house. The second hose, and we're just gonna pull it out and connect. The door cover for other video purposes. Usually in residential, we throw door covers everywhere because, one, people are worried about something running into their house. This kind of helps deter anything running in or running out. At an empty site like this, probably would not put a door cover, especially during this type of weather. There's no bugs. But yeah, when it comes closer to summer or starts getting warmer, you do get bugs flying around. And you don't want to let bugs into, or bees, or into somebody's house, right? And we start this baby up. You can see where the bed most commonly stands because I'm a bit more matted in here. And I probably have but we'll go ahead and spray this down. And we'll give it some time to dwell before I start. And I'm just gonna go make maybe a half a gallon, or less than a half a gallon of solution. I don't need to make a full gallon because then it's just gonna go to waste. Alright, so just about to get out of this room, did all my edges. Do 2 passes here right towards the center. Definitely a bit more soil, of course. Tired traffic. So you do a little bit more just so I can pop that door open and set it and forget it. All right, and this is how it starts. Do a quick cuff run around this hole. Get some gel paint or what? Something weird. We'll just try to apply it. I can't even tell what it is. Doesn't look like paint, but maybe it'll come off. Oh look, kind of looks like it's coming off. Go ahead and grab some rust remover because I think that might be rust. thought it was a water stain. It looks like maybe a vase was standing here or a plant, but I can't really tell. And we continue back with the quarter. Make sure I rinse that product out, whatever I left in there. Don't want to really be pressing holding the wand going over that vent grate. You don't want really too much moisture going there. But I do not want to be leaving any water droplets on the carpeting. All right, as you can see, we got a nice white border. Push the fibers forward, gives it a lighter appearance. You pull it back, gives it a darker appearance. Just gotta set this stuff right out here. All right, guys, let me just do this threshold here. And then again, in front of the hose, or in front of the doorway, because I know I'm not gonna be able to reach it coming back out that way. Let me pull some of this hose out. Behind the door done, this side done. I just have to kind of run my hose there. %. All right, guys. I took up the door cover already. I about to do the stairs. We're at 12%. Man, the battery's just going down like it feels like every minute or something. I don't know if that's what GoPro batteries do. Wrapped under here. So at this point, if this was a house with occupied, if this was occupied, actually before I even did the stairs, I would have had the homeowner do a quick walkthrough and give me an okay, make sure everything looks good. I didn't even go up there with them, just kind of show them around, see what came out, what didn't come out, what was left behind. When we come back down, I would do the stairs. And yeah, and let's also slowly pack everything out so the hose wouldn't be in the entire kitchen area, of course. It takes a little bit more thinking when it's an actual occupied home. Okay guys, we're pretty much done. I don't have enough % battery to show you how I rolled everything up or get everything out. But this was the site. This was done. I'm just gonna wipe down the floor down there because I saw it. It's a little wet. This is our job. This is what we do. Hey guys, if you like this video and you like what I'm showing here, how I'm doing things, give it a like. Hit that subscribe button. Maybe I'll do more videos. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think about those V's. And were they good? Just kidding. All right, signing out.